This video is only for those channel who have this content and to those channel who have a plan to make this content. Babala ito because the YouTube has a new update policy for moderately restricted categories. What are the content moderately restricted categories? Partial nudity, people that display partially exposed intimate body parts. Example, lower or outer curve of the female breast exposed, majority of buttocks exposed. So if you have that contents in your channel, better remove that or private that, because by March 29 they will enforce this policy. Number 2, sexualized theme dating. Dating explicitly motivated in terms of sexual themes. Examples, affair dating, sexual fetish dating. So if you have this, you know what you do. Better remove. Number 3, sexual merchandise, a sale of merchandise that intended to enhance sexual activity. Example, sex toys, lubricants, aphrodisiacs, sexual enhancers, sexual fetish, lingerie. If you have this content, try to think many times. Either you remove or private this one, and also do not put anymore this kind of content. Number 4, sexual entertainment, online or offline sexually suggestive entertainment. Examples, strip clubs, adult movie festivals, sexually suggestive live streaming or live chat, sexually suggestive role-playing games. If you have this content, better remove this or stop doing this, because the YouTube will enforce the policy by March 29, 2021. Mature cosmetic procedures. Cosmetic services and plastic surgery focus on intimate body parts. Example, female breast augmentation, penis enlargement surgery, vaginal laser rejuvenation, Botox implants, and public hair growing. So it is moderately restricted categories, so do not put it in your channel. If you do cosmetic surgery, bear in mind the list of the YouTube policy in the moderately restricted categories, so that if you put it in your channel, you will be aware the consequence. Number 6, sexually suggestive elements and themes. Text, images, audio or video that can be interpreted as suggesting sexual intent or being sexually evocative. Content containing sexually suggestive poses or posture. Example, lewd or sexual language. Images featuring legs spread open, touching covered intimate body parts, mimicking sexual positions or movements, dating for general audiences that includes more sexually suggestive imagery. These are all the moderately restricted categories. This policy will go into effect on March 29, 2021. And if you want also, you can Google, and if you have a YouTube channel, you can also read the email, because they send it to your email account for the update policy this March. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. God bless you all.